to show you how to build a pickup truck. Step 1 is to connect both of these. That's already done. Flip it this way. Okay, I'll show you what step 2 is. You put these wheels. You do whatever I do. Oh. The tires. Tire day! We tire array! It's not actually tire day. Let's make it up. There's not even a day called tire day. Now you get 2 of these big screws. Screw them up. So, have you ever made one of these? I don't think so, but right now, you must be feeling like a toy engineer. We have got 2 more. Had no idea which one to pick. So I just picked this one. We'll see about these 2 in a different video maybe. Flip it over and do the same for the other sides. So let me show you what I did. This. So yeah, and here are the screws. You have to tighten in to them. Whoop, whoop, whoopie, whoopie, wah. And you need to use this screwdriver and plug in the screws. Perfect. So now let's look at our instructions. We did step 1, we did step 2, now we're on step 3. What should we do? So for step 3, we need to put this on. Put it upside down. Here. And get a big screw. Get the screwdriver. And screw it in. Screw, screw, screw. Get the back of it. Screw. Wah! Nothing to screw. Come on, let's put it. Perfect. Now, it doesn't quite look like a pickup truck yet, because that's what we're building. So, for step 4, we will put this in. Hurry up and get a big screw. Put it in. Perfect. You must be pretty proud of yourself. Also, get this piece, and at the back, put it. Now, it says we need a small screw for this. So, get our first small screw, dump it in. First small screw, dump it in. We mostly need big screws. So now go on to step 5. Then our truck will be okay. Get this piece. Okay. Now it looks like it's trying to tell us to do this. Now make sure you don't tighten it too tight, or this pickup truck won't be fun. I am going to do this. I'm going to get this, go into the hole, and plug it in with my screwdriver. They'll always give you a spare this. We won't need this. And now, here should be your last piece. So I'm going to pick up the pickup truck. Pick up a pickup truck. And put now. And I'm gonna put this little screw in. But how? Okay, right now I'm really into the singing dance. Come on, get in, get in. Hold on, am I pushing the wrong way? Perfect, we're done. Or did I just put that the wrong way? Okay, now guys, I put this the wrong way, alright. Allow me to demonstrate what you do. Poof. Maybe all that singing grain freeze to be, or sing freeze to be. Okay, I don't know the name. Put this out, take this out, turn it, and use this and screw it in. Ta-da! Our new truck. Have fun digging. Bye!